Modern life depends on power. We carry laptops, phones, and cameras everywhere, but most portable chargers just can't keep up. Today we are looking at the Shargeek 300. This isn't just a battery. It is a massive leap in portable energy technology. It was built over 40 months of intense engineering. The goal was to create the ultimate blend of raw power and premium design. One look tells you this gadget is different. It features a matte silver aluminum body. The curves are smooth and elegant, but the real star is the signature transparent top. This reveals the internal tech. It looks like a piece of functional art. It doesn't just sit on your desk, it elevates your entire setup. Let's talk about performance. This tool delivers a massive 300-watt total output. That is enough power to fuel two 16-inch MacBook Pros at full speed at the same time. While doing that, you can still fast charge a smartphone. It uses two USB-C ports and one USB-A port. But it goes further. It includes an adjustable DC port. You can set it between 5 and 28 volts. This unlocks compatibility for specialized gear like drones and projectors. Most chargers can't handle those, this one can. Recharging is just as fast. With a 140-watt input, it goes from 0 to full in only 75 minutes. You spend less time plugged into a wall and more time being mobile. It also cares about your smaller tech. Many power banks struggle with earbuds or smartwatches. They often overcharge or fail to detect them. This device has a dedicated low-current mode. It provides safe, optimized charging for your smallest gadgets. Inside, it uses full-tab battery cell technology. This is the same tech pioneered by Tesla. It results in lower internal resistance and better heat dissipation. It is more reliable and lasts longer. The internal PCB is also highly efficient. It has a very low standby power draw. If you leave it for 15 days, it still holds over 90% of its charge. The build quality is top tier. It uses 180 grit sandblasted aluminum. This gives it a silky smooth feel. To keep things cool, it uses thermal silicone pads and an aluminum frame. This whisks heat away during high-power use. The transparent armor is also flame retardant and scratch resistant. The smart display is a huge upgrade. It is a 1.9-inch IPS screen. This is 60% larger than previous models. It isn't just for reading speeds. You can monitor battery temperature and charging cycles. You can even set the specific recharging level or customize the RGB lights. Yes, it has dual RGB light bars. You can change the colors and effects to match your style. It adds a bit of fun to your power. Despite all this power, it is roughly the size of a soda can. It is also completely airline safe. You can take this beast on any flight without a worry. It is the perfect companion for creators and travelers. If you want to upgrade your power game, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your tech-loving friends and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest gear. Thanks for watching.